Toyota's starting to come together. Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Autobody. We're moving along on this Toyota build. It's been crazy exciting. We got some stuff painted yesterday. I'm going to show you that in a minute. I appreciate each and every one of you watching. Thanks for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe. Let me show you what we got here today. We've got the bed and the tailgate painted. I got some video of it yesterday. Flip you around here. But my camera was actually, the video card was full, so I didn't get the entire clearing process. But here's the finished product on this. It's got a little bit of trash in it. We're going to color sand that out, but it's all going to get color sanded anyway. So, but this is it. Nice glossy finish, real straight. So we're moving along, and got the tailgate painted. Here's the tailgate. So did the underside, so it looks good. And today what we're going to do is we're going to mask and tape this up. Probably not paint it today. It's going to be a little bit warmer tomorrow, so I think we're going to just get everything ready for paint, so I can come in the morning, just because it's going to be probably about a 4 or 5 hour process to get this painted, and I want to make sure it is taped up properly so I don't have any issues going forward. So let me set you up and let's get started. Okay, I just wanted to stop this for a second here and show you what I'm doing. What I have here is this 3M foam tape. It's a foam, cylindrical foam tape with sticky on one side. And basically what it does is it, as you can see, it lines the door, the edge of the door. So when you're painting, paint doesn't blow in that jam and something that's not prepped, it won't stick or make it look bad. So when you shut this door, it goes right up against that foam tape, paint it, and then you can peel that foam tape off, and it leaves a nice uniform line here. So that's what I've done here, and I've done it on the other side. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of that material and what that was, in case anybody's watching the video saying, what is going on there? So yeah, that's it. So we'll continue on taping this thing up and getting it prepped out for paint. Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. We're gonna paint this Toyota Tacoma pickup. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be an amazing finished product, and I can't wait to get it done. I can't wait to start putting it back together and get this thing back on the road for the customer. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna seal this entire vehicle, and that's gonna give a uniform color and finish to this. So when we lay down the paint, because as you know, this color is very transparent, and it's just gonna make it so much easier to cover and keep anything that is not covering from hiding from us. So we're gonna do that first. What we're gonna use is a product called TranStar Quick Set. It's a 2K urethane primer that hardens over the paint. That also is going to seal any scratches that may not get covered totally by paint, which I think there shouldn't be any. So, but it's just another preventative measure. So let's set you up and let's get started sealing this baby. that's it for today's video. It's been a long day. It was quite a chore to paint this thing. It actually took a lot longer than I thought, and it took a lot more paint than I thought. This vehicle, between the bed and the cab, in Nason paint, which is a little bit transparent paint, not real high quality, in this color, took 5 quarts of paint. I have a little left over for a couple pieces that I need, but that's a lot of paint. Pretty happy with how it came out. Has flowed out real nice. I do have a couple little sags. There's a little sag right here. It'll easily wet sand out, but overall the finish is pretty nice. There is some trash, but like I said, I'm going to color sand this entire vehicle. I'm just hoping everything got covered real well. I mean, I went over it and over it and over it and over it with a light. And I think I've got it all covered, but you know, you never know. So until I unbag it, we'll have to see. But so we'll unbag it next video and get it all cleaned up, and we'll look it over and see how we did. There is a little run there. This is the bigger run. And you can see it right there. That light's not helping anything, but there it is. But no, there, yeah, see, little curtain. They call that a curtain, but that'll come out. I'm not scared that won't come out. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Put a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.